We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for the real love. Someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for real love. Ooh, when I met you, I just knew that you would take my heart and run. Until you told me how you felt for me. You said I'm not the one. So I slowly came.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another synthetic wig review. And I know y'all see it. Okay, I'm a huge fan of bobs, okay, and I've been a huge fan of this blonde color for a few months now since I had reviewed the Bobbi Boss wig. But y'all, I know y'all see it, like it is giving me fine auntie, like it's definitely given. I can't really explain it, but it's giving something. But I did receive this wig from a company by the name of Morica on Amazon. So make sure you guys check the description box below, where I will leave the link and any details that I need to let you guys know about this wig. Now, if you are familiar with my wig reviews, I usually show you the construction of the wig. Then I let you guys know little details about the wig. And then I let you guys know how I feel about the wig. But it's not much of a construction with this wig. It's pretty much a pull on, pull off wig. So I will not be showing you guys that part. But if you are interested in hearing about this wig and what I think about it, keep watching. So again, this is from Morica on Amazon. This is their short bob wig with bangs. It's their ombre blonde with brown roots. So definitely cute. It's giving me more of a ash blonde, but it's definitely cute. I really do like it. If I dye my hair blonde, I want it like this color. But the roots, I really do love the ombre effect from the roots to the ends. It retails for $17.99. So that's pretty much it about the details about the wig. Not too much synthetic. It's bob, bangs, ombre blonde. That's it. Now, as y'all could tell from the intro, I'm really feeling this wig. I'm feeling myself. It's really cute. Like, it's cute. It's cute. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the front, of course, the back, and on the side. So this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the side. So definitely cute. I kind of swoop my bangs over because I like them like that. So I just like the swoop effect. But this is super duper cute. I really do like this. So I want to thank Morica for reaching out to me, asking me to review this wig, because I love it. Synthetic, human, whatever, I love it. It's just super cute. So you guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig. Do you like bobs? Do you like this color? How does it fit me? All that good stuff. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.